experience.
Yeah, I literally love this view. This is so awesome to see the International Space Station with Earth in the background. Again, Dragon is going to be moving to above the space station, so we'll eventually see, this is a
Long and another great view. This time you see the arc of the Earth with the backdrop of the SpaceX Dragon Endeavour spacecraft. That's that little white dot, that little white speck you see against the blackness of space. But again, another impressive view of planet Earth as Dragon continues its approach.
Yeah, and this is a great view to show the difference of where Dragon is relative to Earth and the space station. Earlier, just about 20 minutes ago, when the International Space Station was looking at Dragon, you could see Earth in the background, so you could tell that Dragon was between the Earth and the space station. Now it's kind of almost approaching the side of the International Space Station, not quite there yet, but you could see this is the path that it's taking to move up and over the International Space Station